Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we are going to make another sun-dried special recipe which is called as more molagai, that is curd chilies. This we can make it during the hot summer months and store it for use through the year. Now let's look at it. For this we need chilies of this type, okay, small ones I have taken, and wash them thoroughly and remove any chilies which have turned dry, keep them aside. I have washed them thoroughly and dried them on a cloth like this. Allow the stalks to be there, only then when you deep fry it will be easy for you to use them. Once they are dry, next step, take a fork and poke it like this to make some holes in the chilies. This is because we are going to soak the chilies in some curd and salt. It does not require too many ingredients, only green chilies, salt and sour curd. These are all the ingredients which are required. So because you want the taste of the curd to go through to it, we just poke the chilies and keep them ready. Be careful when you handle a large quantity of chilies, your hands might burn. So be sure to wash your hands later. Don't touch your face or eyes unknowingly. Now I have made holes in all the chilies. This is about 250 grams of chilies I have taken. For that, another 250 ml of curd. Curd should be sour, that is important, a sour curd. So take the chilies into a glass or a ceramic container like this. Remove the chilies which are ripe and we don't want to use them. To this, add the curd. Next, add in salt. You can take 1 heaped teaspoon of salt because salt is your main preservative for this. Now mix it all together very well. This we'll just keep it for 1 full day like this, overnight. Tomorrow morning, what we are going to do is, the chilies would have soaked in the curd and salt. We'll drain out the chilies, spread them out on a plate and keep it in the sun to dry. Again, the day after that, you bring it back in the night, soak it in the curd, again drain, again sun dried. I will show it to you at each step. So today the first stage, let the chilies soak in the curd and salt mix. Some people even add some dried and roasted methi powder to this. You can add it if you like, or otherwise you can just leave it plain also. There's no problem. So we'll just leave it aside for it to soak. Tomorrow morning we'll come back to it and I'll show you how to dry it. Now this has been soaking overnight. We will now drain it out and keep it for drying in the sun. So drain out the curd and spread the chilies out like this. Allow this to remain in the sun for the whole day. Retain this curd. We will require it again. In the evening, you bring it back inside and again we'll soak it in the same curd overnight. Similarly, the following morning we'll drain it and dry it out. This process will repeat for 2 to 3 days till the chilies are very well dried. I'll show you at each step. These are the green chilies at the end of day 1 of drying. Now we'll again put them back into the remaining curd, soak them overnight and leave them to dry once again tomorrow morning. See, these green chilies have been drying in the hot sun for 3 days. If you feel that it needs one more day, do it so that it's completely dry. When dry, it should be like this. This is the kind of sound you should hear when it is totally dry. At that time, you can take it and store it in some airtight box. And whenever you want to use, just heat some oil in a pan. Don't take too much oil. Heat a little bit of oil and add a few green chilies, dried chilies to it. Curd chilies, actually these are called. And fry them like this. Fry them till they are nicely browned and crisp. And remove. These curd chilies are a perfect accompaniment for curd rice specially, or any other variety rice also. You can just serve them along with this. See how easy it is to make, and also you have made a good use of the sunlight which is available in the summer days, and you can make your own homemade curd chilies which are tasty and a very traditional dish. So do try it out and stock them up during the summer months so that you can use it during rainy days too. Share the recipe with your family and friends. Share your experience with me on Geeta's Kitchen and tap the bell icon for notification about my latest recipes. Thank you.